Witness the symphony of steel and power. These machines are engineering marvels, built to tackle the toughest jobs with unmatched precision and efficiency. Get ready for a mesmerizing display of mechanical mastery. Let's roll. Ever seen a tree fall like thunder? That's what's coming. The Varna 390XPG with a 36 T-bar is fired up, and the man behind it knows exactly what he's doing. Grab a front row seat. This is forest engineering at its finest. Be fooled by the calm. Dead and dying trees are silent threats. One wrong move and things can turn deadly fast. Oh man, look at that. It's falling and it's going the wrong way. This is why tree felling isn't a DIY job. It's dangerous stuff. Luckily, no one got hurt. That was way too close.
Well, I don't think I got that, but that was...
This cedar is a giant among giants. Even with a hollow center, it put up a serious fight. You don't run into trees like this every day. Felling it is a badge of honor, and if that's not YouTube Hall of Fame material, nothing is. The 48C, a firewood-splitting monster straight out of the East. With 115 horses under the hood, a Blade 48 setup, and a cabin that screams high-end comfort, this thing doesn't mess around. Want to conquer your woodpile like a boss? Ditch the toy splitters. This is next-level gear for serious men. Helicopter takes more than guts. It takes precision, control, and a deep understanding of complex mechanics. The way a pilot balances the cyclic, collective, and tail rotor is pure mastery. Seeing that level of control up close? Absolutely inspiring. Burned into the ground, these four ancient stumps refused to give in until today. With the might of the Oliver 1650 and the Kaiser 6x6, the ground shook, roots tore, and the battle ended in triumph. Man and machine, undefeated. The 1110E isn't just a forestry forwarder, it's John Deere wearing a cape. It climbs, hauls, and dominates. But with a price near $350,000, your bank account might need superpowers too. Just another day in the woods? Not even close. This next move is risky, calculated, and downright jaw-dropping. Watch closely. This is where the real show begins. Staring down acres of thick brush, the anchor chain is a no-nonsense solution. It tears through vegetation like a beast. Just be ready. It'll leave your soil rough and rugged. Handle with care. Don't wait until it's too late. The unstable ground here calls for tree removal now. Leaving it could result in property damage or even personal injury, especially during strong winds or heavy storms. In forestry, the right tools change everything. The 718 EER gives you extended reach, like having a mechanical arm that grabs trees from a safe distance. Then comes the Woody H61. Quick, clean cuts, no wasted motion. It's about smarter forestry. More output, less footprint. This combo is raising the bar for the whole industry. Out of nowhere, B-Road struck hard. A wheel flew off the truck mid-drive, pure chaos. But somehow, the driver made it out with only a light injury. Fate smiled on him that day. The 63 Harvester is a forest warrior, powerful, precise, and built for dominance. It makes light work of massive trees thanks to its high-tech design and relentless strength. Want to see real forestry in motion? Watch the C63 deliver. Price tag, $75,000. Value, beyond numbers. Meet the Atera Stump Grinder, a precision-built monster. Armed with triple steel blades, it chews through wood effortlessly. The pilot guide locks your aim, while deep drill attachments reach roots other machines can't touch. Mounted on your loader with the Itera drive, and experience next-level stump removal. Somewhere in Georgia, a tree stump has been holding mail for over 100 years. That's more than just wood, it's history. Maybe it's time to turn stumps like that into something meaningful. A bird feeder, a gnome's hideout, who knows? On this planet, giving new purpose to the old is something worth doing. This is the moment where reality kicks in. If you're thinking, I got this, think again. Don't try to muscle through it. Get the professionals in. This is no job for amateurs. One wrong move, and it's disaster. Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.